Hi, welcome back. This is the 15 minutes chart of Bank Nifty futures on Friday. On Friday, around 12:30 and 12:45 candles, you can see a huge selling happened in these areas. See the previous candles volume 51,000, 25,000, 15,000. You see the volumes of the last two candles 12:45 and 1 p.m. ending candles. See, it is almost seven times more, and this is with a huge volume, the maximum volume for the day in a 15 minutes candle. And see this area that is 48, 359 and 322 area. No? It is a aggressive selling area where the maximum volume has been traded over here. That means it is a shorting area. And this shorting area is around 360 and 325 and around 35 points. But what happened at the next 50 minutes? It managed to close above this level, and these sellers were totally defeated. And slowly, it has recovered. Bank Nifty recovered around 300, 400 points from that low and managed to close below this area and around 48 600 it managed to close. So what conclusion we can arrive at? That is on Monday we can straight away say that no buying is expected below 48 3 25 26 level. That means don't take any long position whether in futures or CE below 48 328 if futures trading below 48 328. But if a gap down opening happens, Bank Nifty may try to go up to 758 level. That is this area where further shorting has been happened here in this area. That area I have plotted here between 757 and 742, 15 points. Huge amount of shorting has been happened at the last 1 hour. Correct? And the Nifty has closed in between this level. So tomorrow what will happen? No? If Nifty managed to close above this level, 760 level, it may go up to 48 920 level. And this is a resistance. And this area, previous days and all, no, huge amount of shorting has been happened. Aggressive selling has been happened 920 and 990, 895. And if this particular point breaks and close, then the next target is quite easily 49, 152. 152, 182 level. That means in the middle, we can say 162 level. 162 level. And this range, this aggressive selling area is a very crucial resistance. Once it breaks this level, it may go up to anywhere. We can see a good rally in the coming day or coming days. And below this area, that is 48 328 level, no buying is expected. It may go down further. We have only one level, which is that election result day low. Okay, 1 second. See, this is the area where I plotted this area, 9182 894. And this is the area where on Thursday, from 11:30 to 2:30, the Bank Nifty able to survive in this range. And this is the area where maximum shortings were done on Thursday. And from there, it crashed like anything, no? Just gone up to this level and crashed. So these areas are very important in coming days. The lower areas I already mentioned in my last videos. Here I am mentioning only the upside areas. For upside, no, the Nifty have to cross above this level in a 15 minutes chart. And here, if it breaks here, no, it may come up to 49,152. If above trading, no, it may shoot up like anything and it may come up to another um, 49,162 level. That is, sorry, 48,915 level breaking. Then 49,169.67 is the next resistance. So 48,915 area, no, it is the top resistance area. The Thursday's selling imbalances area, shorting areas. Once breaks and close above, next target is 49,152. That is, we can see some 200, 250 points rally over here in between this. There is no resistance in between this level. Okay. And that's all for the day. Subscribe our channel. There is nothing in it. We are doing with the numbers only. The number matters in every market. There are no indicators. Nothing will work in market, any market. The indicators are like old ambassador, and this is the numbers are like Tesla. There are a lot of differences between both these charts, normal candlestick charts and order flow charts. So subscribe us, share these videos, and try to study this. Very simple. We are here to teach you. Well, update yourself. Don't look into any other person, no, for these levels and all. You can do it your own and try to become a professional trader. So we are empowering yourself to earn handsomely from the market. Join our studies. Thank you.